guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was getting ready and I wanted to do a quick video on how I apply my winged eyeliner. And I just wanted to show you maybe a couple tips that you didn't know that you could do to apply your winged eyeliner a little bit faster, a little bit straighter, and yeah, let's do this. Okay. So I already applied my eyeshadow that I need to clean up a little bit. And so what I do is I grab a flat brush like this, grab some concealer, and this one here I have the MAC Studio Finish NC15 for my concealer, and I put some on there. And what I do, since I already have my eyeshadow on there, is I draw a line like this. And I do that on both sides. This is to give me that straight, crisp line. Like that. And concealer is pretty easy to blend out, so you don't have to really worry about doing that now. But what I do now is I use that concealer line as my line or my guide to put on my winged eyeliner. So now I take this is a MAC brush. I actually don't have the number on it anymore because I use it so much, but I take my liner brush and I'm using the gel liner L'Oreal Black is Black. And now what I do is I follow the eyeliner line, or I follow the concealer line that I made on both sides. To give myself a guide basically of how I'm going to apply this. And then I just drag along the lash line on both sides. And if you get a little bit below, I mean, you can clean that up with some concealer. But it's easier to clean underneath than it is to clean above where your eyeshadow is. So definitely want to be careful with that. So then what I do is I take, sorry about that, I had to go grab a different brush. Okay, so now I take a smaller line brush to really clean up underneath there. And then I take my sponge and I just clean up the rest of that eyeliner underneath. And if I take too much off, I do like to go back in just a hair. Looks pretty good. Got my wings on. And now I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and apply lashes. And that's another thing too. If you mess up your eyeliner, and put on some lashes and that'll really make a difference. You won't even be able to tell. So I'll be right back. Sorry, my hair is a mess and I cannot wait to get it done. But anyways, so this is the finished look, and this is after I applied my lashes and the rest of my makeup, and then I did apply liner on my waterline, which is something that I always do. And anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you got anything out of it, I really hope you consider subscribing, and please comment, tell me what you think, and let me know if this was helpful at all. And I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye.